Good morning, fam. If your hips feel locked and heavy before your day even starts, this is your release. In just 5 minutes, we're going to unlock that tension, reset your spine, and bring power back into your stride. You're not just stretching, you're setting yourself free. Let's hit the mat. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, left leg stays back. Place your hand on the floor and lift your right arm up toward the sky. Gaze toward your top hand, or keep it neutral if your neck's tight. You're not just stretching, you're telling your hips and spine to wake up and move better. I promise this stretch will unlock stiffness you didn't even know you were carrying in your torso and hips. Beginners, drop your back knee to the mat. Advanced stretches, tuck the toes and lift the back knee for more activation. Did you know twists like this can boost your digestion too? Your internal organs are getting massaged with every breath. Stay 5 more seconds, reach tall. Feel a pinch in the front of your hip. Ease deeper with your breath. Now let's balance it out, left side. Left foot forward, right leg back, right hand grounded, left arm reaches up. Keep your spine long and your breath slow. This side might feel tighter than the other side, and that's a good sign we're uncovering something. I promise this move improves mobility and balance and preps your body for bigger movements later. Hold it, 5 more seconds, reach higher. Is your twist coming from your shoulder or your spine? Drop your shoulders and feel the difference. That just unlocked your spine. Now let's dig into the hips. Bring your right knee forward, shin diagonal across the mat. Extend your left leg behind. Relax your torso over your front leg. Keep your hips square. Don't collapse to one side. This pose targets deep glute tension you've likely been ignoring. But guess what? That tightness might be what's limiting your hamstring flexibility too. I promise, if you commit to this, your entire lower body will move better all day. Beginners, place a pillow under your right hip. Advanced stretches, lower your chest all the way to the mat. This stretch activates the piriformis, a small but mighty muscle tied to lower back relief. Stay with me, 5 more seconds. Still holding tension? Inhale deeply into the hip. Time to hit the other side. Left knee forward, right leg extends back. Find the same position and let yourself melt. Check that your hips are square to the mat. Notice any difference? Most of us carry more stress in one hip, and this is your chance to even that out. I promise this is more than a stretch. It's a nervous system reset. Breathe into it, 5 more seconds. Are your glutes clenching? Relax and release into gravity. That just created space. Now let's add strength to that freedom. Sit on the mat, plant your feet wider than hip width, lean back on your hands, drop both knees inward, then switch sides, like windshield wipers. Focus on rotating from the hips, not just the knees. This one looks simple, but you feel how deep those hip joints are actually involved. I promise this will make every squat, lunge, and walk feel smoother. Beginners, sit on a block or cushion for better range. Advanced stretches, sit upright with no hand support. Here's a surprising fact. Internal hip mobility is key for injury prevention for runners and lifters. When was the last time you rotated your hips? Let's speed it up slightly for the last 10 seconds. Do your hips feel more fluid already? That just released your rotators. Let's stretch the sides. Come to a kneeling lunge, right foot out to the side. Plant your right hand on your thigh and reach overhead, leaning to the left. Feel the stretch from your hip through your ribs and fingertips. This stretch targets the often forgotten zone, the lateral line. It affects your balance and how you walk. I promise you'll feel taller and lighter after this one. Beginners, keep the stretch shallow. Advanced stretches, place your elbow inside the knee. 5 more seconds. Breathe through your side ribs. Feel compressed? Tilt your chest up and feel the expansion. Let's switch sides and complete the symmetry. Left foot out, a left forearm on thigh. Reach overhead and lean to the right. Don't collapse, lift up and over. You'll feel this all the way into your lower back. You're not just stretching, you're creating lateral freedom. I promise this will help release the IT bands and hip stabilizers. Push a little deeper. 5 seconds more. Can you feel the space growing in your waistline? Now let's finish strong. Final challenge. Stand up tall. Place your hands on your hips. Start slow circular motions. Full hip circles in both directions. Let your core join the party. Stay rooted through your feet. You're integrating everything we just opened. This move resets your pelvis, spine, and balance. I promise this is more than a warm-up. It's a recalibration of your entire kinetic chain. Beginners, smaller, slower circles. Advanced stretches, bigger, faster rotations. Get that core involved. Here's a surprising fact. Hip circles activate your deep core stabilizers, not just your surface abs. Reverse the direction now. You've got 30 seconds left. Feel the difference between both sides? Your hips are now talking back. That's good. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.